Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a Firebase project and choosing Real-Time Database or Firestore. Once created, add a web app and copy the config object with API key, auth domain, and project ID. Next, install the Firebase SDK via npm or include the script tag so your app can talk to Firebase. Initialize Firebase in your code using the config object. Make sure to restrict keys via rules and set basic read/write rules to test safely before opening access to everyone. With Firebase initialized, get your database instance using getDatabase or getFirestore depending on your choice. To write data, call set or add with a structured JSON payload and include a timestamp field to track changes. To read, use get for one-time reads or attach on value or on snapshot listeners to receive real-time updates. Once done, handle promises and detach listeners on component unmount. Also use batch writes or transactions when updating counters to avoid race conditions during concurrent updates. Finish by locking down access. Write Firebase rules that require authentication and validate fields to prevent malformed writes. Test your rules and functions locally with the emulator suite to catch logic or permission errors early. Once tests pass, use the Firebase CLI to deploy hosting, functions, and database rules. If something breaks, check console logs, emulator traces, and security rule simulator. Common issues are rule denials or missing indexes. If rules block access, temporarily enable verbose logging and rerun the failing request to inspect errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.